Gavana wa AMERU MUTUMA Ntwethingia wete acokanira urutingwe bomero na arutingwe nende nibethire baika siasa nde na batungate AMERU akiaria kiri mambura ya kunywa muma kiri ya Minister Bobero nethirite akiwa ati kinya Minister Bateka barabu inkulukia bangi nire mwito bethirite bakenekerwa kenda bethira bakiritira AMERU ngwe nethirite akiwa arutingwe bonde bathirikari batebati kwethira baukuma siasa na kana kurumana be mukariende akethira ekaruone ya siasa barabara ndani ya county AMERU muno MCA akiwa kate kaita ka siasa irene kaita kakurutira mu AMERU ngwe.
Gavana wa kaunti AMERU MUTUMA Ntwethingia na arĩrĩtie mũingĩ kagita ka minister bakie kunywa muma ntukwĩrua rindene ya garo yekie.
Asante kunaweza rundi.
Akiaria ndaka ya Ntwethingia yuwete kaita kamero kuma ipune nechale kitena gitumi nendiga kinyi na kaita kane kauchokia giteyo na uchokaniria thiri.
AMERU that has risen above noise and drama, above toxic theatrics and political vendetta. AMERU that is in pursuit of dignity, of purpose, and of enduring peace. This unity is not accidental. It is the fruit of hard lessons and deep reflection.
Na wetete kukiria rwangiro gima na muno kurana mpanga ya nyimba AMERU thinira ithirite nindi kioneka kwinyilia baingi ndeni ya county.
We are reviving social health programs including our cancer agenda.
MUTUMA na arĩrĩtie witithwa nkathi kwa cibitari ya AMERU level 5 no twika AMERU level 6 unto wete bukethira bwitethira kiabunene no twikara wa mirwa nindi ni thirikari nene na boya county batirwa cibitari wingi ci county ne.
Our mission to elevate the AMERU Teaching and Referral Hospital to a level 6 facility is no longer a dream. It is a structured journey we have begun. And you've heard me speak to His Excellency, the head of state, the president, and he has promised that he is going to elevate our hospital to a level 6 hospital, whereby it is going to be, the management of that hospital is going to be undertaken by the national government so that we can continue managing other level 5, level 4s and elevate others.
Kiriogendi nekirite MCA zwira nebo kwagirithia barabara cha matura akibera nindi bakethira bakilungairwa ni minister magita kwa magita kenda kinya kona burangu echietete na mbere.
We are reforming our infrastructure development approach from the bottom up. Roads will no longer be seasonal promises but practical, ongoing projects in every ward. Waheshimiwa wetu, we are coming together with the cabinet that has been sworn in today. We are coming to your wants. Every department is going to be represented in your ward. Our youth can no longer be spectators of county development. I made a promise to this generation that their voice will matter. Vijana mpo? Mpo? Your voice matters to this government. You will be part of the solution. Hopelessness and unemployment must be addressed with practical programs. Women are not tokens in our governance. Wamama mmesikia? Na mpo? Nyinyi si wa kurembesha Meru County.
MUTUMA na tereritie kinyarwangiro rimi rukethira nendo rukela kwa na utira nirukukirwa akiwa batira arimi ni bakwithira bakigunika na bote urimi bakimera kimwaki ende ni mera mwanya birio makadamia mira kawa na bingi.
Agriculture remain our backbone and we are taking deliberate steps to protect and grow this sector. Whether it is coffee, miraa, macadamia, potatoes, bananas, or cabbages, our farmers will no longer suffer exploitation and neglect.
Na kire thina ya rwira ithirite ikioneka kunyilia ntere mwanya cia kaunti ya Meru, gavana MUTUMA nekirite kuruwirane ati nende akabaura mitungi miongo.
Water is life, and we are prioritizing sustainable water access for every household. Our commitment is to ensure that mothers no longer walk for kilometers just to fetch water. We will invest as a government in a lasting solution to water scarcity. Education. In education, we will strengthen our ECDs and invest in vocational training.
Kithomo kitiulanite kiri ugambi bwa gavana wa bana.
Education. In education, we will strengthen our ECDs and invest in vocational training. Our young people need both head start and second chance, and we are going to give them both.
Na mataro kire minister barapanywete mumantu kerwari ni ati bakale ATONGERIA burabethirite bakinenkairwa.
Let your tenure reflect the hopes of our people and the spirit of this new era. Be fair, be firm, be accountable, and above all, be humble, just like your governor.
Na kire ARITI ngweba county barabambiririe nende kumereria ite mwanya bigi siasa mata na kinya koneka bambiririe kampeni baituma bichira panenkeri MUTUMA na berete kadhanjuko ikakulialiwa.
Staff Meru County workers who are interested in political positions, and they are using their current offices to undermine the work of our elected leaders. Let me say here that will not be accepted.